Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this crunchy headband you're seeing on the screen. For this project, we'll be needing our measuring tape, our scissors, elastic band, safety pin, and of course the pieces of fabric. We need 3 pieces of fabric, 2 of which are of the same measurement, which is 15 inches by 5 inches. Then the bigger size of fabric is a bit big. It's a bit longer. We have 60 inches by 10 inches. This is cut on fold. So on fold we'll have 30 inches by 10 inches. So now I'll go ahead to fold all of them into two and sew down. I'll do this for the 3 pieces of fabric. I've sewn the 3 pieces of fabric as you can see. Now I'm going to turn them inside out using my safety pin. So now I'm going to pass in one of the pieces of fabric I cut, the one that is 15 inches by 5 inches. I'm going to pass it and place it centrally into the bigger fold of fabric. Then I'm going to sew down this end and push it forward to the other end and sew it. Because the two are different in measurement, the inner one will create ruffles inside the bigger one. I've sewn this down and I've pulled it to the other end and sewn it down as well. As you can see, the ruffles are formed already. So now getting the last piece of fabric, I'm going to pass in my elastic band. Sorry I did not get the measurement of the elastic band on screen, but the elastic band is the measurement of this band divided by 2. So I've passed it into this piece of fabric and I'm pulling it to the other end to seal it like we did in the first piece of fabric. So I've pulled it out. I'm going to hold it in. As you can see, another ruffle is formed with the elastic headband in this piece of fabric. So I've gone ahead to sew it down and this is steady. Now to make it more steady, to keep it in at the center of this fabric, I'm going to sew down at the center of this piece of fabric to ensure that the elastic doesn't move around. I've done so and this is the final look. Now moving forward, I'm going to join this to the bigger piece of fabric with the ruffles. Now watch and see how I place this. I place this right side facing right side, centrally on the bigger fabric. Then I'll fold in the edges of the bigger fabric towards the smaller one in between. That's how I'll enclose the smaller piece of fabric inside the bigger one. And I'm going to stitch it down. I prefer to use hand needle so that I'll be able to get everything together. As you can see, I'm going to stitch down this other end. I've done so with this first end, but I'm going to do the second one on screen so you can see. After sewing this, I'm going to turn it inside out. I'm going to turn it out this way so that the rough edges will be inside the wrong side of this headband. Ensure you get every end, all the edges of the two pieces of fabric, so that you have a very clean finish. I'm pulling it out like this, and that's just all about this. So as you can see, our ruffle headband is formed already. This looks so elegant, and you can wear it to church or to a party. Complements your dress so well. Please leave your comment down below and remember to share. Thank you.